As you just mentioned that India has not challenged the killing of the 3 Indian mariners in Gulf of Oman. So, ma'am, if India does not challenge this, do you think that this precedent can also be seen in the coming days in Indian Ocean region?
I mean, if the Indian government doesn't stand up for its own citizens, then who on earth are we going to stand for? Why has a government been elected? Mr. Modi has not been elected to wave his hand at a dancing troupe. He has not been elected to go from France to some other country that he has gone to go and see Indian dancing troops everywhere. He has not gone to different countries to, meet and hug various leaders. He has been elected to ensure that India gets justice in every sphere. And if Indians are being killed, then Mr. Modi needs to speak up. And yes, I fear this will be a precedence. If he doesn't speak up, if his government doesn't speak up. His government spoke up, but that seems to be a blatant lie. And if that is not a lie, then Marco Rubio is lying. And if Marco Rubio is lying, why is Jaishankar quiet? Why is Jaishankar not lodging his biggest protest and saying that the American Secretary of State is lying? Why can, between Mr. Jaishankar and Mr. Modi and his entire government, why can they not summon the courage, gather the courage to stand up for Indians? What on earth have you been elected for?